Did you know that the pigment for the color carmine comes from beetles? That the first acrylic paints were used in Mexico? That it can take up to 6 months for an oil painting to dry? The traditional Chinese watercolor painting developed around 4000 BC? Welcome to the Royal Talens Creator Studio. My name is Jeff Olson. I'm an artist, a teacher, and the Art Education Director for Royal Talens North America. Royal Talens is a Dutch art materials manufacturer established in 1899 in the city of Apeldoorn. Apeldoorn is about an hour east of Amsterdam by train. Royal Talens manufactures such well-known brands as Rembrandt oils and pastels, Van Gogh oils and watercolors, Amsterdam Acrylics, and many, many more. In the upcoming episodes of the Royal Talens Creator Studio, we will engage in some hands-on experience with a variety of artist materials. You will gain an understanding of the historical context of the materials, as well as an understanding of their working properties. Meet and learn from accomplished ambassador artists who will share meaningful tips and techniques, and maybe a few secrets too. Our hope is to build your confidence with materials, to be inspired, and to empower your creativity. So please join us here at the Royal Talens Creator Studio. Together, we'll let the creator in you out. For more information about Royal Talens Creative Studio, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at #RoyalTalensNA or at our website, Royal Talens North America.